Insurance secrets only the rich know. Rich people don't use life insurance to protect their family in case of their death. They're already rich. They don't need a policy to protect their family. They could just leave them their wealth. It's kind of a no-brainer. Rich people actually use life insurance policies to build more wealth. There are many types of life insurance policies, but generally speaking, a permanent policy allows you to grow your cash value by around 5% or more tax-free annually. And that's just the beginning of what it can do. But it will also continue increasing the actual death benefit of the policy. The death benefit is what most people think of when they hear the life insurance to begin with. The death benefit is the amount paid to the beneficiary in case of, death. The most important feature of these policies, though, is the ability to borrow against them. It's your money and you can take out a loan against it tax-free. Since you're taking out a loan against the cash value, that's not considered income and therefore it is not taxed as income. So you could use the loan to buy an asset like real estate, which will create enough passive income to repay the loan and create you additional cash flow on top of just paying back the loan that you loaned yourself tax-free to protect your family. Listen, I know it's a lot of work to learn everything that they should have taught us in school, but it's pretty easy to follow a channel full of short educational life hacks.